Axle's in and tight. Seal's in. Scotty's got that seal in. He's putting in that axle. Gotta give her a little bit and then just get them started and then work them in. Because them babies is tight. Are you going to give it a little bang bang? Bang bang boogie.
Boom boom stick.
The boom boom stick? Yeah, that's not a build a house. We have names for tools. Build a house. Sounds like you've been working on the railroad, sir.
I've been working on this truck
all the live long day.
Okay, so I made a comment a couple of seconds ago, and I want to see if anybody remembers the movie. I don't know if I would consider it a...
Ooh, movie trivia.
Yes, correct.
How's this looking?
Hey, what are you doing playing with my nuts?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. I like my nuts being played with. But...
Oh, my God.
The comment was... Boom boom stick.
Boom boom stick. Boom boom stick. Fuck.
Come on. You of all people should know.
Give me a hint.
Dead.
Dead. Drop Dead Fred?
No, Drop Dead Fred was different. That was a good movie, though.
Yeah.
That was with what's-her-face from the 80s. It was she was a very, very popular actress. But no, yes. Boom Boom Stick.
Boom Boom
Dead.
Stick. Dead.
Zombie.
Zombieland?
Army of the Dead.
I haven't seen that.
Oh, you have to see
There's
it.
something wrong with me. I haven't seen that.
Yes, you have to see that movie.
Back to the axle.
Okay.
Back in action.
Welcome to the jungle. Oops, sorry.
You got the hair for that.
Yeah, I do.
And
I actually know how to do the sway, too.
I have the outfit for that. There's pictures on the internet.
I'm not even going to...
There's pretty good.
I know there's pictures on the internet of a lot of things, and I don't always want to see them.
I look like a fucking skinny Vince Neil. That's because Vince Neil's fucking fat.
Have you seen Axl Rose now?
Yeah, he's...
Whew.
I've seen him twice in the last 10 years live. Yeah, he's a heifer. He's a big boy now. He's still good.
I don't know. I never slept with him.
God, Scotty.
Now, here's something for you guys.
Jeez,
Guns N' Roses.
Ooh, movie trivia. Okay. Or music trivia.
Yep. Guns N' Roses started where? Does anybody know?
Hollywood.
No.
No.
Guns N' Roses did not start in Hollywood.
The Hollywood Roses.
That's different. This is Guns N' Roses.
Which had Axl Rose.
Correct, but where did Guns N' Roses, the group, start?
Guns N' Roses is a combination of the LA Guns and the Hollywood Roses.
Correct.
But I know that much.
But where did Guns N' Roses, the group, originate from?
I don't know. I'm guessing somewhere back east where Slash was.
Buffalo, Kenmore, and Tonawanda, New York, where I grew up.
Wow.
I was offered a job to hand out flyers for a new up-and-coming group. And if they liked the work that I did, I would get hired on with the group to be a, quote, stage, setup, whatever.
You'd be a roadie.
Yeah, exactly, which I did that too, but that's not the point. That being said, I was only 17 at the time, so I had to have my father's permission or my mom's permission to do it. I was going to be 18 in like 2 weeks. My father said, nope, you're going to get stuck with needles and you're going to smoke marijuana and you're going to get drunk. Sorry, Dad, I was already smoking marijuana and getting drunk. Just no needles. My father said, no, I don't want you doing it. I don't want you taking any chances. No. Okay, I got to listen to my parents, whether I want to or not. So I did. Less than a year later, I showed my father. I'm like, Dad, by the way, blah, 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 blah. Oh, yeah, I remember that. Best decision I ever made for you. Really? Yeah. He said, Dad, here's that group you told me that was going to be nothing but crap and I was going to smoke marijuana and get drunk. Yeah, thanks, Dad.
Oops.
Oh, no, he didn't give a shit. But now you know, Guns N' Roses started in a little small area in Western New York.
But I sat at their table where they officially formed in Hollywood at Cantor's. I always request that table. I haven't been to Cantor's in years.
I've never been there. I don't even know what it
You
is.
need to go to Cantor's. It's a really nice Jewish deli.
Oh, you said Jewish deli. That means real fucking food.
Yes, it's good.
Where? L.A.?
Yes.
Okay, I'll have to make a trip to. That's what we should do one day.
Yeah, we need to do it. LA
Just
trip.
do an overnight trip to L.A. or something.
Get the whole group together.
Yeah. Okay.
PS Garage bitches on the road.
Okay, guys and gals.
Anyway,
I know you're having so much fun with us chit-chatting.
back to the action. Because Scotty's finishing up the last of this. Now we just gotta throw the drums on, put fluids in it, and we are done.
Okay, we'll come back to you in a couple of minutes and let you see the finished project with it on the ground on its own four wheels.
Look at that, man. Justin did nice. That diff feels pretty fucking good. That's because Justin did it. He's good at that.
Oh, yeah.
I miss our old buddy Ron. There's a whole nother story. But,
Okay.
yeah, moving on. All right. Everything's back together.
She will be flat on her own wheels and going out the door in a couple of moments. Check, make sure she's in a gear.
Yeah. We'll get her down to where she's touching. Hold on.